Good morning, dear student. Jai Gurudev to you all. Student, today we will revise lesson 2, exercise and question answer. See, dear student, lesson 2 is components of food. Dear student, different components of food are carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, fat, minerals. Okay. These are different components of food. Today we will do revision of exercise page number 20, dear student. Fill in the blanks. Blanks are the substances that provide nourishment essential for maintenance and growth of our body. Dear student, there are two options. First one is nutrient, second one is food. The student, nutrient are the substance that provide nourishment essential for maintenance and growth of our body. Next, dear student, change in color of Bendick solution to brick red when used for testing food item. Dear student, Bendick solution is used to identify the presence of high sugar content. Okay. Next, in a test for blanks, copper sulfate solution and sodium hydroxide solution are used. There are two options, dear student, fat and protein, and correct answer is protein. Next, dear student, fourth substance rich in blanks stain a filter paper while blanks have no effect on it. There are two options, first one is sugar and second one is fat. The student, fat give stain in filter paper whereas sugar having no effect on it. Now, dear student, we will do revision of exercise page number 22, that is fill in the blanks. Blanks is a food item rich in fiber and vitamin both. Dear student, few items which is rich in fiber and vitamins are oranges, okay, carrot, etc. So you able to write answer according to your choice. Next, dear student, blanks is a form of simple carbohydrate. Dear student, sugar is a form of simple carbohydrate. Next, blanks and blanks are rich in protein. Dear student, pulses and milk are rich in protein. You can write answer according to your choice. In place of pulses, you can write nuts, soybean, groundnut, etc. Egg. Excess body fat lead blanks. Dear student, due to the excess body weight, we may be overweight. Okay, where due to the excess body fat, our body weight increase, which is known as obesity. Some nutrients like blanks and blanks are required in small quantity. Dear student, micronutrients are required in less quantity by our body, and iron and zinc is an example of micronutrients. Now, dear student, we will revise true false. Water help in regulating body temperature. Dear student, this is correct, so write true. Next, protein of the plant food that remain undigested is called, the portion of the plant food that remain undigested is called protein. No, dear student, it is not protein, that is, so this statement is false. Next, vitamin A, D and E are example of water soluble fats. No, dear student, these are not example of water soluble fat. Okay, there are list of different type of vitamin which is fat soluble, that is vitamin A, D, E and K. These are fat soluble vitamin, whereas water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. So in this question they have said that vitamin A, D, E is water soluble, so it is false because vitamin C, okay, and B are water soluble. Next, ghee is the rich source of fat. Yes, this is true. Starch is a form of complex carbohydrate. This one is also correct, dear student. Now turn the page. Student, we will do now exercise. One word question. What does absence of insoluble fiber in our diet lead to? The student, the absence of insoluble fiber lead to constipation. Next, name two sources of fat soluble in vitamins. Okay, name two sources of fat soluble sources of vitamin. Dear student, apple, oranges, these are the few sources of fat soluble vitamins. Next, what harm can be caused by lack of one or more nutrient in our body? The student, due to the lack of one or more nutrient, our body may be suffer from deficiency disease. Okay. Next, which nutrient is essential for growth and maintenance of the muscles? The student, fat is required for growth and maintenance of muscles, dear student. Now we will revise true false, match the column. Pulses, dear student, it is a rich source of protein. Milk, it is a rich source of calcium. Rice, dear student, it is rich source of carbohydrate. Butter, dear student, it is rich source of fat. Red vegetable, dear student, they are rich source of actually carbohydrates. Okay. Then sunlight, dear student, it is rich source of vitamin. And table salt, it is a rich source of iodine. Okay, now we will do true false. Write T for true and F for false. Dairy products are good source of minerals. False, dear student. Dairy products are good source of the protein. So this statement is wrong. Next, deficiency of protein lead to the obesity. Dear student, deficiency of the protein lead to the kwashiorkor, marasmus, etc. disease. And obesity is caused due to accumulation of excess of fat in our body. We should take more iron to have strong muscles. No, dear student. For making muscles, we need protein. Next, all vitamin can made in our body. No, dear student, false. All vitamins cannot be made in our body. For example, vitamin D. Next, we can make up for deficiency of water in our body by eating more chapatis. No, dear student, we cannot make up deficiency of water by eating chapatis. By eating fruits and the vegetables like cucumbers, watermelon, drinking lots of water, coconut water, etc. By all these activities, we can make up the deficiency of water. So this statement is false. Now student, we will discuss intake question answer of this chapter. Open your classwork copy. See, dear student. Question number 1. How many type of nutrient does our body require? List the name. The student, different type of the nutrient which is required by our body are carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Next, dear student, what is balanced diet? Dear student, when any diet contain all the nutrients in an appropriate amount, then it is considered as balanced diet. Next, dear student, what is meant by deficiency disease? Student, the disease which caused due to the deficiency of particular type of nutrient, it is known as deficiency disease. Next, name the nutrient that repair worn out part of our body and one that provide energy. The student, the worn out part of our body is repaired by protein. Okay, whereas the nutrient like carbohydrate and the fat, they provide us energy. Next, dear student, why are minerals essential for our body? Dear student, minerals are very important for our body because they help in proper growth. They help us in keeping us healthy. Next, what is malnutrition? Dear student, the poor condition of the health caused by lack of the food or lack of appropriate nutrient in our body, it is known as malnutrients. Next, why does our body require water? Dear student, our body require water because it absorbs nutrients and transport it to the different part of the body. It help in removing waste in our body and it also maintain temperature of our body. Student, I think now you understand this chapter. Okay, so your today's task, learn question and answer and exercise of chapter 2 in science.